Hi, my name is Jessica and I live on a beautiful island called Jamaica. Today, I'm taking you to this beautiful local beach near Kingston for a breakfast by the beach. We're going to make famous Jamaican fried dumpling with a twist, which I'm sure your children will love this one because I'm going to add a chocolate filling. If you're interested how I made these chocolate dumplings, stay tuned and enjoy the view. And if you're new, remember to subscribe for more island adventures. Hello and welcome to another video. Yes, today I found back the beach and so I was like, oh, this is rough, I cannot go diving. So I reach here and look at this ocean flat. Anyway, I have to work this evening, so no diving. I have something very cool for you, so we're gonna make some breakfast. And I decided, hey, why not having breakfast by the beach? Yeah. Coffee just tastes so much better by the beach. Do you agree? Let's go. I don't remember which one has the chocolate inside. First time trying this, so let's see. That's why I didn't do all with chocolate, so I still have a dumpling which has so curious if this is gonna work. Supposed to work. Inspired by chocolate croissants, French croissant. So if you have ever visited Canada or France where they do this super delicious croissant au chocolat. Oh yes, so they're so nice, so delicious. Anyways, I don't have croissants but I have dumplings. Almost the same. Almost. Let's see. Check on my little babies. Good morning. So I'm having my first cup of coffee, waiting on my dumplings, and then let's the breakfast begin. Brunch is ready because now it's already kind of late. So I don't know, guys, tried our regular dumpling, yeah, but today we're just having it continental style, yeah, with some butter and jam, and just watch the style. First I'm gonna have my cup of coffee. All right, nice and hot. Had to reheat it a little bit. All right, so watch the magic, watch the magic. For which one of these now had the chocolate? Let me test chocolate. Is this one the one? Chocolate one? No? All right, next. Not ready for you, phone. Away, I say, man. Oh God. Well, has to be you then. Ooh, look at that. Nice chocolate in there. So let me try this. The one. Watch it. Watch it. Chocolate in there. Yummy, 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 yummy. Bye. Let's see. Yeah, this is good. Yes, chocolate, croissant au chocolat, Jamaican style. So good. Yeah, confirming. 5 out of 5. This is really good. Oh my God, so good. Goes down well with a coffee. Alright guys, I don't know, it's another favorite way of how I eat my dumplings, and it's just easy and simple, and I love it. Guava jam with some butter, and then just like that. Oh man, so good. Guava jam is a vibe. Some butter, yeah, nice. Right, butter all over this. Then you're gonna use some guava, just like this, onto your fried dumpling, or what we call Johnny cake, yeah. Very nice. Thumbs up. So I love the guava jam, butter, and my fried dumpling. But this is not new to me, so I do this regular at home. But what's new to me is my chocolate filled whoa, chocolate in this. This is so good. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed your breakfast inspiration. So either dumpling filled with chocolate or dumpling with guava jam and butter. Let me know if you have tried this before, or if you do this regular as well, or if you're going to try it, and if so, let me know. Jamaican dumplings are so versatile. Like, yes, you can just, it's bread. It's bread, yeah man. Quick, easy bread. Can't get enough of this. It's so good. And then the view, guys. Oh man. How you like my table? Yes, so this is nice local beach in Bull Bay. Lovely space. Having here my little gazebo. Transformed this little table here to my breakfast table. Guys, in a world with so much illusion, confusion and distraction, it is easy to be fooled by material things. Don't put your heart into things or likes. Find happiness in simple things that are even free. Visit a beach or a river, alone or with friends, it doesn't matter. Explore and feed your soul. That's what matters. Alright my people, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I catch you on my next adventure. Bye!